Welcome to the Option C Measurement and Verification System, a product of Abraxas Energy Consulting. Established in 2001, Abraxas has provided quality energy auditing, retro-commissioning, and software services throughout the world. Option C builds upon the strengths of its predecessor, Metrics Utility Accounting System, to provide energy managers with clear insight into energy savings, demonstrable through fast, easily customizable reports from Option C's built-in reporting feature. Like Metrics, Option C will be suitable for the needs of major energy service companies, schools and municipal governments, and even one-man consulting operations. Option C lets you create easily customizable reports that can be used for many purposes, such as tracking savings, benchmarking your facilities, or breaking out usage by utility type. When you're done with your reports, Option C can export them in a variety of formats, including PDF, CSV, and more. All of this analysis is made possible just by entering your utility bills, which is as easy as copy and pasting from Excel, or you can set up and import bills for an entire project all at once using the Option C MT1 file. You can create these reports with just your utility bills, but this is not all that Option C can do. Option C is also capable of performing weather normalization, which allows you to look at your facility's energy consumption outside of the whims of the day-to-day temperature. Let's look at an example. In this case, we have an energy manager who's installed energy-efficient lighting and would like to track savings. And here's what's predicted. But what if this is what you actually saw? This certainly isn't what we'd like to see, but what could have caused it? Perhaps June 2000 had mild weather, whereas June 2001 was hot. Since there was more air conditioning in 2001, there was more energy usage. Even though there were savings in the lighting, the savings disappear beneath the increase in cooling energy usage. Even a graph of the entire year doesn't inspire any confidence in the success of the measure, so how can you prove that there are any savings? The answer is weather normalization. Weather normalization allows you to factor out weather from your usage pattern, leaving you with an accurate representation of your facility profile. Option C allows you to create a weather-normalized baseline for heating, cooling, or both. Option C uses advanced statistical techniques to create weather-normalized baselines that comply with IPVMP and ASHRAE 14 standards. Weather data makes all this possible. In Option C, you can enter your own weather data, or have Abraxas send it to you monthly as it becomes available. Unlike many other utility tracking packages, Option C isn't limited to just weather normalization. It can handle multiple user-entered variables as well, which can correspond to building occupancy, school calendars, widget production, or other conditions. Before you even start a measure, you might want to show a customer your predicted savings. Using Option C, you can show what measures you might want to implement and the savings you expect to come with them. Target values will show you the results of these measures, compared to the baseline you developed and actual usage. Using targets, you can track your progress towards a goal and prove your effectiveness as an energy manager. If there's one thing you can count on, it's that buildings will change. When situations change during a tuning contract, it can be difficult to continue tracking savings, but Option C makes it easy with modifications. Modifications allow you to account for facility changes mid-contract, while maintaining the ability to track savings. If you want to calculate your exact savings, Option C can model anything from a simple rate to a much more complicated one, including seasonal rates, tiers, ratchets, and load factors. If you don't feel the need to model a rate, you can still track your savings using a variety of blended rates. Abraxas Energy provides a variety of other services, including regional and company software training, project setup, utility analysis, rate modeling, and technical support. We'd now like to invite you to try an obligation-free 30-day trial of Option C. If you have any questions about the software, our help desk is available at the number and email shown, or you can contact the sales department for more information. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to hear from you soon.